Greetings of the day, folks. Here is a special announcement for you regarding new batch which is going to get started from 12th July 2021. Before getting into the batch details, let us see some of the selections of Sridhar CCE. So, in from 2016 to 2020, we have got 11,432 final selections in all the competitive examinations related to public sector. You can avail the data, or you can avail this authentic data of 11,432 selections from two sources. One is our official Facebook page, and second is our official website. For Facebook page, visit Facebook and type Sridhar CCE. For website, visit www.sridharcce.com. And coming to the selections of 2019, in 2019 we have got 3599 final selections, that where we have included all the examinations like SBI clerk, SBI PO, IBPS clerk, IBPS PO, RRB clerk PO, and LIC assistant ADO. And coming to the selections of 2020, in 2020 there was complete lockdown and we were unable to provide offline classes to students. So only through online mode we have got these tremendous results in 2020. That is again the included SBI clerk 423 selections, SBI PO 64, IBPS clerk 203 selections, IBPS PO 126, EPFO 155, LIC assistant 227, IBPS RRB PO 154, and RRB clerk 197. And all this is completely through online mode only. And coming to what are the subjects we are going to cover in this particular online batch. In this online batch, we are going to cover reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, current affairs, computer awareness, and banking awareness. We are going to provide you the entire subjects, all the subjects in two levels, that is basic level as well as advanced level. Now, what are the examinations that we can write by learning all these subjects? So we can write IBPS clerk, PO and SO, SBI clerk, PO and SO, RRB assistant, RRB scale 1, RBI assistant, all insurance examinations, FCI exams, EPFO exams. And apart from this, you can write any type of a public sector competitive examination, any type of government examination, because all the subjects what we have discussed just now are the common subjects which we see in any type of competitive examination. And coming to course, so in this we are going to cover the entire course in two steps, that is basic level and advanced level. And for both basic level and advanced level, we are going to spend 450 plus hours of teaching only for content. Okay, so for content only we are going to spend 450 plus hours of time. And this 450 plus hours of time, whatever the content we are providing you, it will be available for you in PDF format also. As this batch is completely English medium batch, you are going to get the PDF material also in English medium only. And what are the uh, topic wise test you are going to get if you purchase this online batch? Again, the all the subjects: reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general English, banking awareness, current affairs you are going to get month wise. And for computer awareness, apart from 450 plus hours, you are going to get 150 plus hours of teaching specially related to all the subjects regarding topic wise test and explanations. Okay. And what are the two types of duration we have in this particular online batch? In this particular online batch we have two types of duration, that is 6 months duration and 12 months duration. And what are the benefits you are going to get if you take 6 months duration? In 6 months duration, till now what are the benefits we have discussed, all those you are going to get, that is 450 plus hours of teaching for basic and advanced level, and PDF copies of course you are going to get, and topic wise test on all the chapters, and model test. Every Wednesday you are going to get one prelims examination, and every second Sunday and fourth Sunday you are going to get one mains examination. And whatever the classes we give you, all these will be available in your portal for 6 months duration if you opt for 6 months, and you can access any number of times as you wish. If you go for a 12 months duration, the same benefits what you're going to get for 6 months you're going to get for 12 months also. And apart from this, you're going to get two more additional benefits, that is one is printed material will be given to you, and this printed material will be delivered at your doorstep if you opt for 12 months duration. And one more thing, that is you can watch these videos any number of times for 12 months of duration, not for 6 months of duration if you opt for 12 months. And next one, what are the printed material you are going to get. So in this printed material you will be having two modules, one is basic module and advanced module. In basic module you are going to get 7 books, in advanced module you are going to get 3 books. And what you know already, Sridhar CC has an adept team of faculty. So these are the people who are going to teach you quantitative aptitude. That is Srinivas Rao sir, Ramkrishna sir, Reddy sir, Ravinder Reddy sir, Sasikala ma'am, and Sudhir sir. And for reasoning, we have Sesi sir, Prithvi sir, Sivakrishna sir, as well as Bavaji sir. Of course, all these are experienced faculties. And for English, we have Murthy sir, Padma Bhushanam sir, Naresh sir, and of course Likita ma'am, it's me. And for banking awareness, we have senior most sir Raghu sir and Mubin sir. And for current affairs, we have Reshma ma'am. And if you want to purchase this batch, just visit our website sridharcce.com. In that, click on purchase button. If you click on purchase button, it will ask you to choose batch. Choose batch number 22, which is going to get started from 12th July 2021. And once you click on batch, it will ask you to register yourself. So register yourself and log in there. Once you log in, you can proceed for payment. And one more thing, so what is the validity of this batch? So before going to talk about the validity, let me tell you one more thing. If you purchase this online batch, you are going to get one complimentary facilities, that is bonus test. So what is this bonus test? For example, you have selected for any competitive examination in this 6 months duration or in this 12 months duration, and you have mains exam or you have interview, we are going to give you 15 to 20 bonus test for whatever the exam you have been selected, and that will be completely free for you, because what we need to focus or what we need from your side is your final selection. Okay. And this coming to validity, the batch starts from 12th July 2021, but even after the date also you can purchase the batch. If you purchase the batch after 12th July, whatever the date you have purchased, the date will be selected as start date. Okay. If you buy the batch from 20, if you buy the batch on 20 July 2021, your validity starts from 20 July 2021 only. So this is all about batch details. If you have any doubts regarding this particular batch, you can call us at 9504433333 and at 7569447777. You can also mail us at online.sridharcce@gmail.com. Hope we'll meet in class.